Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through adding the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, to your chart and demonstrate how to leverage this powerful indicator to identify potential trade setups. Widely used across the industry, the RSI can help traders differentiate between high-quality setups and lower probability opportunities in real time, enhancing decision-making and trade execution. Open your TradingView application and choose the Indicators and Strategies icon in the chart window. In the search bar, type in Relative Strength Index. The indicator should show up at the top of the list. Select this indicator to add it to your current chart. We now have the RSI oscillator indicator located at the bottom of our chart. This indicator will help identify oversold and overbought conditions and possible reversals real time. I personally prefer to remove the yellow line, which is the RSI moving average. Some traders may find value in using this, but I prefer the cleaner look with less noise. To remove this yellow line from our indicator, double-click on the indicator title to open the settings window. Select the Style tab at the top. Deselect the yellow RSI moving average line. This removes the yellow line from our indicator and allows for a less cluttered approach. The Relative Strength Index is a widely used momentum indicator designed to measure whether a stock is overbought or oversold. When the RSI value rises above 70, the asset is considered overbought, indicating potential selling pressure. When the RSI falls below 30, it is considered oversold, suggesting possible buying opportunities. By identifying these key levels, traders can pinpoint potential reversal zones, making the RSI a valuable tool for both long and short trading strategies. To set an alert for when the RSI reaches overbought or oversold levels, simply right-click on the desired level within the RSI indicator, select Add Alert, and choose your preferred conditions from the drop-down menu. You can then customize the alert by specifying how frequently it should trigger and adding a custom message to be sent when the alert is activated. This feature helps traders stay informed in real time without constantly monitoring the chart. Hit Create and you're good to go. Trend traders who aim to maximize profits and stay in winning trades longer often use an RSI length of 14. This setting provides a smoother, trend-following approach with fewer signals, helping traders capture larger market moves. For scalp traders and those focused on risk management, an RSI length of 7 is a popular choice. This shorter setting generates more frequent signals, allowing traders to react quickly to short-term trend reversals and secure profits faster. Choosing the right RSI length depends on your trading style and risk tolerance. One thing to understand is that the RSI will show a different value for each time frame, meaning that the RSI might show overbought on the 1-minute chart but not the 5-minute chart. Being able to assess multiple time frames at once is a skill many develop over years of experience. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more educational content, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is valuable and helps us create content that best supports your trading journey. Visit BullishBobLive.com and join our growing community today.